What's up, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how I made more than $10,000 while I was on vacation, right? So as you could see on my screen right now, again, this is my Clickbank account and I'm making money right now as well. Let me refresh again and I'll refresh at the end of the video if I've made sales as well. Again, it's on autopilot. I'm going to show you exact step by step, and again, it's a disclaimer where you need to create a campaign, and once you optimize it, then you just let it run. And I've not even touched it once. It's just running on autopilot and it's profitable. So let's get started, right? So before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online, everything about affiliate marketing, straight to the point, simple, straightforward way. So please consider subscribing, and if you have any questions, let me know, and also just like the video as well. And let's get started, right? Everyone is happy. I'm so happy because I'm making money, and you can be the same as well. What we could do is, let me first refresh this again. People who think I'm lying, again, that's it is. First thing is, I hope you could hear me, right? Let me just go. Yeah. First thing is go on view all offers, and I need to make everything clear, right? A lot of people ask me what's the best performing product or what's the most converting product. This is the way you need to do. Is nothing is complicated. Just go on all offers, sort by gravity, high to low, which means literally 921 people are making money with this right now, and maybe more than this are promoting it. Maybe like 10,000 people are promoting it, but 921 are making money. So these might be the super affiliates, and you might be one of them if you follow this strategy, right? So I've already opened Alpaline. Then I'll scroll down. I'll open Prodentim, Glucotrust, or Prostadine is about prostrate. Okay, so usually you need to start with 5 products. Okay, again, out of those 5, 2 would be successful, 1 would be successful. Once you get much more expert in this, you'll find the winning product like fast, right? But at the beginning, once you're starting new, choose 5 products. So I've chosen Alpaline, again Prostadine, it's a prostate supplement, Glucotrust, and yeah, that's it. Now the first thing is, first all you have to do is you can see the seller contact, right? Just go and email them. The reason for that is, think about it, the way it works is it's always about networking, right? So how would they make money if you sell the product, right? So it's always a win-win situation for both of us. So you just need to contact the seller, and first thing is, first you need to ask them for a resource kit. Okay, learn about the product. So again, they have given me the resource kit for Prostadine. For Glucotrust also, you can email them over here. Just send them an email, Carlos. You can get all the things like the keywords and everything. So literally I have everything over here. If you're doing Facebook, again, I'm not an expert in Facebook, but I'm going to show you Google and Bing Ads. Emailing, they give you everything, like what's the demographics. You can open what are the core demographics, read about it, right? Okay, next thing is go back. All you have to do is the most important thing is your keywords, right? So if I go on Google and YouTube, they're going to give me the keyword. So again, this is a gold mine, right? From these things we are going to make money, right? And testing is required. Obviously, you need to test, you need to find profitable keywords, and then just run it on autopilot, right? Again, do this for 5 different products where you talk with the affiliate manager. And again, if you make money, the affiliate manager would make money. It's simple as it is, right? So it's a win-win situation, and nothing is wrong in asking. Literally, you just need to send an email, say, just give me the resource kit. Okay, that's it. Once that's done, you have the keywords, you have the demographic, you know which audience you need to target as well. So if I click over here, core target 40 to 70-year-old. So when I'm creating ads, I'm not gonna spend my money on 18-year-old, right? They also tell you if mobile is converting, if desktop is converting. There are times they tell you everything as well, and they might have over here as well. Let me check. Product pictures, banners, Google and YouTube. So there are times where they give you the demographics as well. For some of them they give you, right? Yeah, they give you all the hop links, VSL and everything. Once that's done, all you have to do is find the landing page, right? So again, it's very simple to find the landing page. Just type in your keyword over here. Where would you find the keyword? Literally, you can just go over here. and say healthy prostate, come over here, search it, healthy prostate. Okay, and then you can spy on your competition. So if I just scroll down, prostate help improve your prostate, again, this can be one of the landing page, this can be one of the landing page. Okay, so again, let me just see if this is the landing page I'm looking for. Yeah, so this one looks good as well. It's a long text landing page. If they're selling any products, uh, opportunities lost, so please click here, prostate protocol. So they're selling some, let me check if it's a Clickbank product or no. So yeah, they're selling a Clickbank product and they're selling an ebook, right? So again, in front of you, I've showed you how you can find the keywords and how you can find landing pages. Okay, so again, I found the landing page as well. So what I could do is go back on my Excel, paste it over here, and then let me give you an example. I've done it for weight loss. I've done it for, let me go back. Yeah, and then I can just open this as well. So for weight loss, I found two landing pages. One is a short form landing page like this one, and then the other one is a long form where again, try this ice method to lose 33 lbs of body fat. So now when you go back on your Excel, you know the offer, you know the keywords, you know the landing page. Again, you are like getting to the point, and now again, you know the winning offer, the winning keywords, the winning landing page. Again, two landing pages, one is this, one is this. The ad copy as well. Now how do you know the ad copy? Remember, we did the spying from the keywords. Again, this is one of our competition which is promoting why prostate can be shrink back to normal in just weeks. So we got the ad copy. You could find more similar ad copies as well just by spying. So now we need, the only ingredient now left is promoting it, right? So now how do you do promoting? You can do either by Microsoft Bing ads or Google ads. And in this example, I'm going to show you how you could do it with Google ads. Now creating ads is the most easiest part. The most difficult part was getting all of these things. But again, you got it within few minutes, right? Now let's go back on Google ads. So on Google Ads, before we go on Google Ads, I forgot to mention you something. Make sure you do it for 5 products or 3 products minimum. Okay, and budget for each product would be minimum would be $100, right? So what you're gonna do is $100 over here, right? $100 over here. Let me, what's happening? Yeah. $100 here, $100 here, $100 here. So I found for Alpaline, I found for this product. Now I found for Glucotrust. Again, you get my point. Just find the landing page. Again, the steps which I showed you. You'll get the offer, you'll get the keywords, you'll get the landing page, you'll get the ad copy, you'll get the promotion. Now, once you go back on your Google Ads, make sure you do website traffic. Once you do website traffic, just click on continue. Once you do continue, all you have to do is go on search. Okay, if I'm going a bit fast, what you could do is just pause the video and check. Again, website traffic for now, I'm just gonna say test, landing page, Alpaline. Once you do that, okay, start new. I would say maximum clicks for now. Again, go on click, set a maximum click. I would start with 0.40. Okay, because again, with Google ads and with Microsoft Bing ads, if you're not the first, you're the last. So again, you need to bid smartly where you're not paying a lot. Plus you need to if you're not paying low as well. If you pay low, it's gonna be on the 10th row, or the, like, for example, if you're paying good amount, it's going to show over here, right? But if you're paying less dollars, it's going to show over here. So let me give you one more example. So again, this is one more landing page and an ad copy which is really helpful for us. So we could copy this. Yeah, this looks very catchy. So yeah, as you could see, if we are paying a good amount, obviously we want to come over here. So if you're not the first, you're always the last. If we show our ads at the bottom, it's very hard for us to get the sale. So right, go back 0.4. Sometimes I do 4.5 as well. Again, you need to just go on tools, keyword planner, and you can search for this keyword. How much are they charging, right? So if I go on keyword planner, get the search volume, paste. Even if it says $1, so now it's not showing over here. Let me just go and change to United States. Okay, search. 0.51, right? So again, I know if this is converting, and there's an increase you're on your chain and its competition is medium. So if I know about this, what I can do is 0.52. I'm gonna do this thing. I know it's a bit expensive, but again, once you get a sale, imagine with 100 clicks, for example, with 100 clicks is equal to 0.52, right? So imagine you're spending $52 and you make a sale, right? You're gonna get 127. So imagine, which is, again, I'm talking about 1% conversion rate, which is the worst case scenario. So you're spending $52 and you're getting 127. So you could literally get $75. So I wouldn't even mind paying 0.60 as well. Okay, but for now, I'm gonna test things right now. So again, it's $75 would be your profit, just if we take the worst case conversion rate and the worst case scenario. But obviously, we are going to optimize it, make it much better. If I click on next, I would select tier 1 countries, which is United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. That's fine. And also you could see weekly clicks. I'm going to get this thing, 1629 and 350 would be the cost. Average CPC would be 21. Obviously it's going to be less, but there are times where it will, depending on the day, it will increase or decrease, but average would be this much. Your location would be United States, Canada, New Zealand, Ireland, Australia, tier 1 countries. Leave the other things as it is. Just keep this English. Just click on next. Okay, your keywords, where would you copy your keywords from? Copy all of these things, paste it over here. Once that's done, if I click over here, you need to create an ad, right? So what I'll do is I'll put google.com because I need to create my own landing page, right? Because I can't use the competition one. Now enlarged prostate, I've again did the copy from here. Enlarged prostate solution, now I made it 10% better. Try to add my changes. Enlarged prostate remedy, natural prostate solution, why the prostate can be shrunk, and there are other recommendations as well. Once you do that, okay, even same thing with the description. Just copy the description from here, make it 10% better. Just do done, click on next. Okay, budget, I would keep it $50 a day. If I have more money, I would keep it 100. And all the details would be here. Just click on next and then they'll review your campaign, and that's it, guys. Your product would be like, your ads would be live and you just need to wait for the sale. And let me give you an example, right? So if I do 1600, right? The worst case scenario for 1600 would be 1% conversion rate, right? Worst case, like, and like, if the product is really good, the worst conversion rate is 1%. So that's going to be 16 sales, right? So that's going to be 16 sales with an average of 121. So 16, if we do 16 sales, I'm taking an average order value of 121. That's what Clickbank said, right? 127, but I'm taking 121. Okay, which is equal to $1,936. And how much are we spending? Like, depending, $350, right? So even 196 minus 350, that's gonna be 1,500, and we'll take some returns and refund into 0.10. Okay, so 1,158.6 minus 156 would be a cancellation. So at least we are going to make every week $1,400. It's a simple logic, and I think so. That's it for today's video. I hope you really like the video. If you have any more questions, please do let me know in comments. If you want to talk to me, follow me on Instagram, message me on Instagram. I would reply you over there. And I'm going to come up with the updated course by today or by this week, and I'm going to be leaving the link down below, so go and check it out. And that's it for today's video, guys. Please subscribe, right? Please subscribe. And Yavar Khan signing off.